What's up, guys? You know, sometimes when you're working, what's up, guys? Sometimes when you're working, you realize, hey, not everybody might know this. So I decided to make a quick video. Now today, I'm setting up my carburetor, spacer, and nitrous plate. So I got to put new studs in the intake. Now, you got a stud like this. Hold on, flip this around. Okay, so there's a stud like this, and there's no real way to grip it. You could put some vice grips down here and torque it down. Or you can get, they sell I think it's called a stud extractor, but it clamps on here around this, and it's supposed to not mess up the threads, but I don't know, I really don't trust stuff like that. The way I do it is I do the double nut. So I'll take my wrench here and tighten these two nuts together, and then that essentially makes this a bolt, and I can tighten this down to the intake. We'll get the camera set up and I'll show you how I do that. Sometimes it's a real pain in the butt to get just the right camera angle on this. But anyway, I have my 2 1/2-inch wrenches. And now then, I have essentially a bolt. Now when I tighten it in, I'm going to use this top one. Just screw it down until it gets tight. And I'll tell you, whenever you're doing this, if you're putting them in, you want to put your wrench on that top bolt. If you're extracting it, you want to put the wrench on this bottom nut. That way you're always pushing up against this one. If you try and pull it out with this top nut, it can, if it's grabbing in here, it will just start spinning this off. Both of them together. So anyway, that's just my little tech tip for today. Y'all have a good one.